pupunta tayo ng Rove, Almar dyan sa Lasal Quema. So, on the way na kami. Actually, medyo malapit na tayo. So now, we're going. This is outside. Kung nasan yung parking. And here's our room. Okay, the other side daw. So, yung kinuha natin pala is Sea View Robe. So, ayan. First you will see is the bathroom. So, ganito siya. Decent size. So, yan yung mirror niya. Simple, pero clean siya. So, ayan, shower area. Meron din silang shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Toilet, and of course, the bidet. Bidet is life. Paglabas niyo, may malaking mirror dyan. And then naman, pagkadating niyo dito, makikita niyo yung open cabinet. Sa open cabinet, meron siya dito. Okay, empty. Second also, it's empty. And meron maliit na fridge. Na walang laman, guys. Walang laman. And here, pwede nyo ilagay yung luggage nyo. Meron silang safety box. And a laundry plastic. Yan, phone. Meron silang Bible. And, yan guys, TV, of course, 55 inches. And the bed. Pagkadating dito guys, meron silang maliit na mirror. Merong water, 1 liter water. Meron silang mga kape. Sugar, milk. And coffee. And meron silang stool. Of course, when you open here, ouch. Yan, meron silang hair blower. So, also guys, meron sila ditong QR code. Kalagay dito, room delivery menu. Okay. So, dito naman, I don't know, but they said it's a balcony. Pero hindi ka pwede lumabas. Ganyan lang. So, balcony siya, na ito na agad yung room, tapos ito na agad yung pinto. And that's how they call balcony. So, ayan siya, guys. Nakikita nyo yung pool, yung beach, at yung katabing resorts. And also, guys, we need to check if it's smart TV. Oh, okay. So, you have to do it from your phone. Do the instruction on televisions and it will connect to the TV. Like it's clean and bright and you can see our view. Good morning guys. Good morning people. Sorry. It's not pala good morning. So, yan siya. Ganyan siya kung nakikita nyo. So, gusto ko lang nga pala i-share sa inyo yung ginagamit kong pabango. Pabango ng Bjorn Perfumes, guys. And this is Luna. Ang bango nito, super and super long-lasting, affordable, and pocket-friendly. Yes, affordable na nga, pocket-friendly pa. Basta guys, super bango nito. Try nyo to. O, saan kayo makaka-order? Ida-drop ko below yung website. So today we're going to give a hotel review rating. So number one is location. So for location, it's very accessible. So next is check-in and services. For check-in and services, it was smooth in the beginning, but we just had some minor issues. So guys, kasi nag-check-in kami, binigyan kami ng connecting rooms. So syempre, rinig na rinig namin yung kabilang room at hindi kami komportable kasi hindi namin sila kasama or hindi namin sila kilala. But the connecting rooms, it's not soundproof, so it's not for us. We're not comfortable. And next, room quality, cleanliness, bed, size of the room, and smell. So guys, for the cleanliness, I give it like 10. We don't have problem with the cleanliness. It's so clean. Bed comfort, I give it like 6 because the bed is not soft or it's not super malambot, ganon. Size of the room is decent size. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's just enough for two-person with one kid. And the smell, walang problema sa smell kasi wala namang smell. So kahit next siya sa beach, wala kang maaamoy na or strange smell inside the room and inside the bathroom. So next natin is the view. View is okay. It's far from the city vibe, so I'd give it 10. And next will be facilities. So pool, clean, crowded. Beach access, gym, spa. So, guys, lahat ng 'to ay meron sila. Meron silang pool, meron silang beach, and included na 'yun sa room rate nyo. So, for facilities, I give it 9. It's okay, walang problema. And next is food. Taste, variety, price versus quality. So, our room included with the dinner buffet and breakfast buffet. So, for the dinner buffet, we give it 2 out of 10. I think mas madami silang variety of Arabic cuisine than international cuisine because meron silang iba't ibang guests. Meron silang Filipino. The time na nag-check-in kami, ang daming Filipino and marami ring Arabic or Arab or Muslim. But for the food, at least I'm expecting something else, but it's not there, guys. But for the breakfast, it's okay. I'd give it 8 out of 10. I cannot say something. In the morning, they serve well. So for the price and quality, because nag-order din kami yesterday for our lunch and we don't have any problem with our food. For the price, I'd say that it's little bit more expensive. I mean, you know, we're in UAE. Next, comfort, noise level, privacy, relaxing or not. Noise level is 9 out of 10. You cannot hear something unless it's happening at the corridor. Privacy is 8 out of 10. I think everyone's here are open. They don't have problem with everything, so that's good. Relaxing or not, it's relaxing. So overall rating. So I'd say our stay for yesterday will be 8 out of 10. Oh no. How about the food? My husband is not happy for the food, but he say we'd give it 8. So that's all for today's